With the countersinks facing up, place the attachment plate on top of the center post. Attach the plate onto the center post using 6 screws and tighten with a 5mm wrench. Place the top on a protected flat surface with the threaded inserts facing up. Align the center posts and attachment plate to the threaded inserts and attach using 6 JC bolts. Remove the black plastic cap from the center post and discard. Insert the square tube of the X-base to the center post. First, slide the 13mm washer onto the screw. Then, slide the 17mm washer onto the screw. Repeat this step for all 4 screws. Attach the X-base center post using the screws and washers you just put together. Tighten all the screws using 6mm wrench. Insert the stem of your glides into the hole of the base. Rotate clockwise until fully inserted into the leg. For casters, use a 14mm wrench and tighten the nut on the stem of the caster. Repeat these steps for each caster or glide. Turn the desk upright and begin use.